Hey guys, we're back with Voices of the World. Day 2. So probably, or day 3, I guess, part 2. Finishing day 2, maybe doing a halfway part 3. Seeing how that goes. Ooh, it's pretty. You remember this? Alright. Damn! Damn! Ooh. This one's so close. Oh. There it is. First one of this, and it's gonna be successful. Wow, guys, we're really moving up in the world. Come! Ow! I didn't even press the button. That was the door. Oh, what? Is it finally cooked now? Can I finally... Ah! Ow. So here's one of those. Wow! I can actually start to hear things. No. I won't do another cleaning montage. I mean, this break room does look kind of nasty. Oh! That's not what I want. Ah! Oh, oh. Uh-oh. It's saved. What was that? Well, first death. It's from a... Oh no. Please tell me I'm safe. Guys, I swear if I have to restart, I'm gonna cry. Oh. 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 Did you know I died to a vending machine? Ow! I'm so tempted to throw this vending machine out. Get in. Let's get you in the corner first. And then we're gonna pick it up from this side. Are you kidding me? I died! I died again! Are you kidding me? Oh. This one's gonna be a tough one today, guys. I died to the vending machine twice! If I had it... I forgot to move! If I had a nickel for every time I died to a vending machine, I've had 3. Please don't make it 4. Oh my god. Okay, let's first save it so that I'm not under it. So I can't die to it another time. Oh my god. This vending machine is gonna give me trauma. Okay. Save. I don't even know how many times I've died to that now. This is honestly so embarrassing. Anyways, store. Oh my god, how many cups were in there? No. A free drive? Why did I... Rubber trash? What is rubber trash? At least this area looks nice, doesn't it? Back to cleaning. But this one can get eaten. No. See the opposite is die. This is the vending machine. Move. The vending machine. It's like die. I really hope I don't get struck while I'm actually doing this. Strike me down, dude. You know how to... He totally does. He has him. You eat my eyes now. Okay. Now my food is downstairs. I feel like the no signal's a bug. I don't wanna... What? How are you guys off? I had you perfect. kinda sucks. Why is this turned off? Alright, so stuff in here. I didn't get it from the box again. Oopsies. Two signals. Oh, that's what I have. Tango, Bravo, India. Tango, okay. Bravio. What's Tango, Bravio, what? TBI. TBI. I, okay. Let's go IBT, I guess. Why can't we got S so I could have IBS? Lost my legs over that one. Oh, math time. There we go. Tango. Serena. Tango and Serena. I'm gonna go to Tango. Serena, Soyo. IBST. IBS! It gave it to me. In the most terrible way. Here you are. Nope, I did it. Okay. Oh, and Oscar? Nope, this is Oscar. You don't see that. And yay, new record. Oh, Tango. Let's go, new high score. It's also starting to become day. Oh wait. Oh, I'm here. Do another ping. Huh? Victor! Victor! You're so far away! Tango 193 E 2900 FA. So we also gotta go fix Tango. Or not Tango. Victor. Nice. Let's go get Tango or Victor. Indiana. Just hash. Whoops. Ow. Is it 0 0 0 0 8 C 8D 797 3E 08C8D 797 3E. There we go. I did not know I could do that. I was just tabbing out. Let's go. Those are some of the easiest problems of my life. You know what? Trustful. That was not very trustful. What's this? We'll check about this real fast. Aww. Kinda wanted it to be explosive. Calm down. Bravo. Oh, it's not beta. Whoops. Okay. I really don't know if these are right. It's what really sucks is that I don't know if they're A's or zeros. I feel like it's just good to assume that they're zeros. Uh-oh. It's still good? Just double checking this. What? So they are zeros. Good for you, Mr. Burger Man. Can you leave me alone now? And another one. So if this fails, you just go right here. A bucket? Dear God.
There's more. No.
Why is there a bucket here? I don't remember there being a bucket. That scares me. Could go back in the recording, look at them. I'll be right back. I know this is cheating, but please, I don't want to go out there again. Alright, I went back. Hopefully I got them again. This just really sucks. Okay, here's your one extra. I gave him one extra last time. I just give him an extra this time. That really sucks. The R10 shouldn't be a thing. Okay, hopefully he'll like it this time. If this doesn't work, I don't know what will. I'll actually won't know what I did wrong. I got the numbers mixed up or something. I don't know. Oh, there's still one here. Oh, isn't this the... I have too much grip. I hope this is to your liking this time. You get a free level 2 too. That makes me so mad. I died at... It's raining. I died at a vending machine 15,000 times. Why is it moving? Huh? Why is it moving? Oh, is it because it's raining? That'd really suck. Whoops. Please tell me. Oh, thank God. Better. Further. Oh. Okay. Do you again. That's how I feel in real life right now. There should be like an explanation to why 0 is... I need to go eat. Am I was I burning at the mouth? See, everything's starting to turn up. Talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, talk about it. Wow, I'm getting so good at math, guys. Why is the meatball $500? I honestly, I was so very long. Oh, I think that's gonna have to be it for this episode. Everything that went on today will be written down in history. So we should now be on day 3. Yep. Perfect time to leave it off. Bye bye!